Hello, my name is Karen King, and I want to welcome you today to a meditation on order. Order is built into all of life. Order is the architecture of the universe. Everything from the spirals of a nautilus to a hexagonal honeycomb, from infinity lines to ever-expanding circles, displays an orderliness that dazzles scientists and theologians alike. When the material world and our circumstances appear random rather than orderly, we doubt the reality of spiritual order. The failure of human reasoning to comprehend divine order has led to superstition and anthropomorphizing God. God is not a superhuman personality that imposes order. Rather, God is order. Assume a familiar posture supportive of meditation. Pay attention to your breath and focus your attention on the splendid order in your body temple. Focus on the bone, the muscle, the skin, the vortexes of nerves and energy, all organized for physical vitality and strength. Breathe, noticing your breath flowing in and out effortlessly. Your heart beats rhythmically, steadily, faithfully. You celebrate divine order. And concentrating your attention within your body, behind your navel, activate your body's center for order. Shine the verdant green light of order around your digestive organs and throughout the integrated, linked, and well-ordered systems in your body. In this time of affirmation, I ask that you allow my words to be your words. Order is my name and my nature. I am the power of order. I am the power of order by which I connect with my innate sense of direction. I naturally attune to the magnificent source, the one mind from which all ideas flow. I catch divine ideas and bring them into manifestation by the power of order. I am the adjusting power of order, easily sensing where to place my attention. I adjust my mindset. I correct my course of action. I am the evolving power of order, awakened to my ever-unfolding consciousness. I incorporate the best of my past into my present and reach naturally toward a fuller and more enlightened future. And by the power of order, I follow the clear path. I go through the open door. I choose an orderly course of thought and action. I bring about order moment by moment, choice by choice. Go forth, dear one, and shine your light, knowing that evolution is a result of the development of ideas in mind. Bless you. Namaste.